All right, so this video we're going to cover the groups tab as well as the compositions. Now, let's start with just the default groups. This is what it should default, your screen should default to, but if not, you can select it. Each faction has their own group of things, including civilians. I stand corrected, not including civilians. But anyways, groups are good for getting quick spawns of, say, APCs or infantry rather. Each faction has different groups. Let's go to an actual large group here. There we go. So that's how you can get quick groups. Fun little fact, if you wanted to have all these units separate to give them separate commands, simply select the group by dragging a box or clicking on the little flag here, hold control, and then just drag out, and they all become their own units, or own groups rather. So that's nice, right? Next, we're going to talk about compositions. The bread and butter of Zeus and Eden. Eden, it's even better because Eden's just better. But anyway, you can create custom compositions, which we will get to at the end of this. But there's going to be all kinds of compositions you can use. Like this is the entire Altus terminal you can spawn. It's kind of cool, right? But in a realistic use case scenario, let's say we're wanting to create a military installation of some kind in this area. So what am I going to do? I'm going to start spawning some, whoa, hold on. We don't want that. What do we got going on here? That was, I don't know why it looked like that. Anyways, let's try that again. Oh, it's just the sun. Okay. Anyways, we're creating a military installation here at this town. So you're going to want to be realistic here. So let's do our best to do that, right? For the sake of this, I'm not being super realistic, but where is our, nope. You get the idea. It helps you spawn things quickly and set up installations. Now, as a reminder, once you're done doing this, please, for the sake of the other Zeuses, if they haven't done it already for themselves, just make sure you don't have all curators set. Other Zeuses can come in and hide it from themselves, and in theory, it shouldn't affect you. But in the case that it does, it's not a big deal. Nothing to get angry over. Just simply re-add the objects with this module, not the right click, and select just for yourself, aka no. And hit all. There you go. So that's compositions. Now let's say you wanted to create a custom one, right? So, well, for the sake of this, what if you wanted this to be your own custom composition? You select it, you go back to this screen. We're going to collapse all here. And then we're going to, select the items we want to be a composition. Then we're going to click this little button down here that says Save New Composition. We're going to create a category, test, and whoops. And then we're going to click on temp. So you can create your own categories and then name the composition. Now, if you come over here, you'll notice that this is updated with a category and your composition. Boom, just like that as your custom comp. So that's how you do that. Now, what if you want to delete this? No big deal. You come here, hit delete. It's going to confirm, and that's that. Alrighty, guys, I hope that video was helpful in understanding groups and compositions. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Hello there. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, drop a like and a comment, and turn on notifications with that little bell. If you'd like to join my Discord server, you can do so by visiting the link in the description.